My name is Twyla Harris, and I'm the market manager with Gerber Collision and Glass. One of the things that people don't understand about the collision repair industry is the opportunity to make a very good living. You're not required to go to college. There's nothing in the facility that's going to require a college degree. And so with that said, job security in our industry is something that you cannot take away because we do so much on the job training. It's yours. You take it with you wherever you go, and that's a huge benefit for any role in our industry. Every position is crucial at each location. I always tell people that the detailer is just as important as a general manager because it takes every one of us together as a team to accomplish what we're trying to accomplish, and that's making the customer happy. The biggest challenge that we're facing at Gerber Collision and across our entire industry is a shortage of technicians. With a generation gap, previously everyone was encouraged to go to college, and so there was a whole time period that's been missed. And so our median age for our technicians is nearing 50 years old, and we really need to replace those technicians in a desperate way. I mean, we need people. We need them bad. We're always trying to promote. We're trying to always find people to join our industry. Let's get to work, Rutherford.